everybody. In this video I will talk about the program in which sourcing of object from a given list of object will be done. For this I will be creating a class named person, and I will create the list of objects of that person, and I will take one string variable and I will check whether that string variable exists within that list of objects person or not. Okay, for this initially I will be creating the class person. Okay, let's define variable, string variable name, then int age, then define constructor public person, string n, int a, name n assigned, is a assigned. Okay, now let's declare the method to get the name. Public string get name. Okay, now let's return the name. Simple one. Okay, this is a simple class. This person class has two member variables, name and age, and there is a simple constructor which will initiate the values of this member variables, and there is the method which will return the value of this variable name. Now let's create the driver program. Class person underscore demo, then let's have the public static void main, okay, string. Okay, fine. Now let's declare the array of person. Let's suppose there are 5 objects. Now we have to initialize these objects individually. Is equal to new person and lister. Okay, now SB 34, Control C, 5. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Demi. Okay, that is 62. Now Nicole 55. Tom, that is 62. Sylvester 77. Okay, now let's save this. Person underscore demo.java. Okay, I'm saving this using the P2 folder, no problem. Okay, fine. Now I have created list of persons. Okay, there are 5 objects. Now I have to source whether given name exists within this list or not. For this I will be assigning the value to some string, n is equal to Tom. Okay, now I will source whether the Tom exists within this list or not. For this, what I will do, I will create a for loop. I is equal to 0, I less than p dot length, I plus plus, then if pi dot get name dot equals n, then system dot out dot print alien found, then I will break the loop using the keyword break. Simple, otherwise not found. Okay, no problem. So what I'm doing here is I've created a simple class person. It has 2 member variables, string and name. Then there is a constructor which will initialize these member variables. There is a method which will return the value of name, and there is the driver program person is underscore demo. Within this I have created an array of person. Okay, and then I created 5 objects of person. Then I assigned a Tom, that is string variable, string literal, to this variable n of type string. Now I use the for loop that will iterate to the end of this list p, and it will check whether this name Tom exists within these objects or not. And here get name will return the string value, and that equals, that is the inbuilt method of the string that will compare this value, the n, whatever is stored within n, with whatever value that been returned by get name of object p. Now let's execute this. Okay, I have to go to the packages, Okay, then I have to go to where? P2, I think. TIR. Okay, there is the portion demo. Okay, let's little bit expand little bit. Okay, now let's do Java C portion underscore demo dot Java perfect Java portion underscore demo. Now we can see it is found. Okay, Tom is already available. Now let's write some other name. Tom Brad. Okay, Brad doesn't exist, so we should not get anything here. Okay, there is nothing. Okay, so in this way we can do sorting within the list of the objects. Okay, if you want to, we can also update the value of these objects also, but I'm not going to talk about that. But just remember that if you want to make a sorting within the list, we have to iterate through the list, and if you want to make a compare between the strings, then we'll be using the equal, that is the inbuilt method of the Java. Okay, so in this way we can do sorting within the list of objects. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.